And concern over the new COVID-19 variant, as we mentioned, has led to travel restrictions. Melissa Correa at Bush Airport's International Terminal tonight, breaking down which countries are affected and what it means for U.S. citizens.
Flights from those 7 African nations do not land here in Houston, though IAH is aware of the concerns around the new COVID variant, Omicron. The U.S. is in the middle of the busiest holiday travel week since the start of the pandemic. Nearly 2 million people will travel through Houston alone. News of a brand new COVID-19 variant is not what travelers want to hear this holiday season. Today, a majority of the international flights here in Houston are moving in and out of Mexico and Central or South America, though hundreds are traveling to or from countries in Europe or Asia. Both continents now tracking confirmed cases of the new COVID-19 variant, Omicron. Hong Kong airports now boosting COVID testing of travelers while forcing some passengers to quarantine.
We have a zero COVID approach, so we have very strict policies that people coming into the city have to stay in a hotel for 14 days or 21 days. They can't leave the hotel room until they're given the all clear.
Airports in South Africa are busy. People there are working to get on flights out in case the country issues a lockdown. Flights from several African nations now banned from entering the UK, the European Union, and other countries. The United States will begin restricting travel from South Africa and these 7 other nations beginning Monday. Like previous pandemic travel bans, U.S. citizens and permanent residents will be allowed to fly back to the States. The World Health Organization describing Omicron as a variant of concern, the same category as the Delta variant because it's highly transmissible with an increased risk of people becoming reinfected with COVID. Global medical experts are warning against overreaction. But as holiday travel across the U.S. nears pre-pandemic levels and with more than 5 million COVID-related deaths globally, governments that once waited weeks or months to issue travel bans are now acting faster, nearly 2 years into this worldwide pandemic. U.S. citizens and permanent residents traveling abroad will still need to test negative for COVID before they can board a flight back to the States. Now, another option the Biden administration may consider is boosted health screenings at airports, like temperature checks. But bottom line, if you're traveling internationally this holiday season, be ready to pivot.
That is one thing we have learned, Mel, during the pandemic is to adapt and pivot to constantly changing information. We want to make sure you have the very latest. Just head to our website, KHOU.com, for up-to-the-minute coverage.